Welcome back to the Bokeh Academy with me, JP, and in this one for our Topaz AI complete series, we're going to just have a quick look at the Filmstrip when you bring in an image. Remember all the different ways that you can bring in an image. You can click here on Browse Image, you can go to File, and you can say Open Images, use the shortcut key Control-O, and then you can just drag and drop. And then by pure mistake, I found another way. And that is you can simply click here in the work area and it will open your folder for you. This is where we've been working. I'll bring in Luca because we've been working with her for a while. And if we move over to the bottom left-hand corner where we have the progress update, I want you to note that next to the progress bar, we actually have this little selector chevron that's pointing up. This opens the Filmstrip for us. So if we click on it, it opens a Filmstrip, and then something strange happens. It applies the settings again. Let's quickly talk about why does Topaz Photo AI go through this process again, because you will want to go to support and maybe file a complaint or just say something has happened. What actually happens is if you look at the real estate of the image that we have over here, the moment you close this Filmstrip, you add that space. When you open it, you take away that space. My conclusion here is that because you basically have taken or added a part of the photo, it is reanalyzed because it's only displaying this part for you. It's not displaying the entire image. So it's only analyzing and applying these effects at this moment for the preview. We'll talk about that some more in the upcoming video. Let's focus on the thumbnail that has been generated here in the bottom. You see that little green dot. Now the green dot actually appears many places across the user interface, and that shows you wherever the autopilot has been applied. Even in the little heads up bubble that appears there where it says luca.arw, which is the raw file for Sony cameras, you will see the green dot and it says autopilot. And then it gives you a very quick snapshot as to what it has done in terms of the autopilot. It shows you that little circle, which is the icon for the raw remove noise, and it tells you that settings is 1%, 1%, and set to a strong function. And if we go over to the raw module here on the right and we unfold it, you're going to see there's the strong and there's the strength and detail, which is what accounts for that 1%, 1% that we have seen. Go back and we hover over the thumbnail, and next to the raw remove noise, we have the sharpen icon. So what you'll get with this thumbnail is, first of all, the green dot telling you autopilot's been applied and what parts of the autopilot has been applied. Then if you click on the three dots or the traffic light menu, as some people call it, you're going to get another bubble. And here we have a 6th option, how to open images by selecting show images. If you want to see this image you are working with in the Explorer or in Finder, you're going to click here, or if you want to close the image, you can do so from here. Having set your eyes on this Filmstrip, it leads to the natural conclusion that we should be able to bring in more than one image at a time. Let's do that in the next video.